Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, before I even say today, I need to wish you guys a happy new year. Happy new year, YouTube. Oh my gosh, my hair is so messy. Ugh, we're gonna sort that out, okay? So I hope you guys are having a very happy new year. Like, this is my first video in 2020. I just cannot believe this is like my first video. I'm just starting my new year. January was a dry January for me, but now it's the beginning of my new year. So happy new year. So today's video is going to be a moving vlog, and I'm also going to be getting ready while I talk to you guys. My last video was in December, you know, vlogmas, and I stopped at vlogmas 5 and 6. Yeah, that was due to personal reasons, so I decided to just take a step back and chill. So yeah, hopefully this year, if you guys help me out with my YouTube views and subscribers or whatever, this year we will be doing vlogmas. So yeah, today I'm gonna be packing my stuff. We've been given notice to leave the property that we're currently in. We're gonna be packing. We found a place already, and I really cannot wait to move. I'll be getting ready with you and also pack my stuff. I'm gonna put all of these in a bag, and then I'm gonna get my frames, also put them in a bag, and I'm gonna put my lipstick holder in the black bags. I'm not gonna take off the lipsticks. I'm just gonna put the lipstick holder in a black bag just like that, and then I'm gonna clear out all of my, you know, drawers. Yeah, so I'm gonna clear out all of these, and also the other side as well, like so. Yeah, I'm gonna clear out all of these, and I guess I have more palettes in there, more palettes. And then in here I just have my hair products, like hair straightener and stuff. And here also I have, like, you know, face, everything. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down and do all of that. There's more palette, so much palettes, like. So I didn't even know that I had so much palettes, like. Okay, palettes, and I don't even use all of these palettes. I don't use them. They're just there in the drawer. So crazy. Oh gosh. Okay, so I have all my all of my palettes in here in this Zuka bag. Thank God for this. So yeah. Okay, and I also need to do the bathroom. I need to pack all of that window decoration on my bathroom window, right? Am I even making sense? Are you making sense? And then over here I have my kids stuff. I just put them in a black bag, you know. Like I said, my moving boxes are not here, so I'm not gonna wait around for that. So I just have to do what I have to do, you know. I don't got time for that moving Amazon thing, so I just put all of them in a black bag, their clothes and shoes in there. And obviously I need to take down the curtains, and that drawer is not coming with me because it's broken and I don't need it. And everything else in that drawer we don't need, so I'm gonna leave that in the house. And also their toy box, they actually told me they don't need all of the toys in this box, so we're gonna have to just, I don't know what to do with these toys though. I'm thinking of just going to taking them to a charity place, or just kids like school or something, drop them. But I don't know, or just leave them outside. Anyone that wants them will pick them up, you know. So, and this is not coming, definitely not coming. So now I'm gonna take you guys downstairs to show you how I have packed the kitchen. I haven't really packed anything from my living room. I haven't really packed anything from the living room because I just want to do that last, because this bit is it's quite easy, so I'm just gonna leave that part. So here's the kitchen. I have almost everything out, ready to be put in a bag. So yeah, I have all of her plates. We don't really have that much plates, so yeah. And microwave, obviously we're gonna take that. And I have some more, this bag, some of these bags down here are the stuff that we don't really need, so they're going to the charity. This bag is going to the charity because I have a lot of clothes that I don't need in this bag, so we're not taking that. And what's in here? Okay, so I have some of my stuff in there, and then I have some Christmas decoration and throws and whatever. And then here I have my kitchen appliances in there. I still have more to pack over there. So yeah, and obviously I'm gonna get my table. No, we are not taking the table. I don't need this table. I'm just gonna get my chairs because I'm gonna get a new table. So I'm gonna get my chairs and then